Okay, welcome back to another HipHop Breakdown. Today we have a fun 2/8 count for you, and with me I have Natalie. My name is Ceech, guys. I love to share this dance culture of ours. Every week I post dance instructional videos to help you improve in your dance journey. So if you can benefit from this type of video, hit the like button. It definitely helps out the channel more than you know. Let's get right into it, shall we? Here we go. Let's go all the way from the top, and I'm gonna break down how to teach this to you guys. Here we go with the music, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, bam, right there. Okay, here we go. To break this down, guys, there's two things. The first move, this is called the farmer. Okay, for those that want to get more into the farmer, I have a different tutorial that just goes right into the farmers. But this with farmers, along with arms and the 360 spin, you guys see right. Let's see right there with the spin right there. Okay, so that makes it a little bit harder. So what I'm gonna do, first thing I'm gonna show you guys is how to do it without the spin. Let's watch this video, a different video, and you'll see that Natalie and I are doing this video without the spin. So I would say practice this part first, and then once you get this part, then you're gonna add the spin later. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna do it one more time, but this time only without the spin. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Now, before we get into slow motion, I'm gonna make sure you understand what we're trying to do here. Okay. So the first part, I want you to understand it's basically a paradiddle. For those that don't know what paradiddle is, drummers call this like single, single, double. All right. So we're kind of changing it. We're going double, double, single. So check it out. Watch this. First thing I want you to do is watch the legs. Okay. I'm going to play this at full speed. I'll slow it down eventually, but right now, bear with me. Again, guys, for those that are interested in learning this, you got to watch this all the way through. Okay. You can skip around later, but right now, watch the entire video to really understand it. This is especially true for those that are in my class right now. Okay. Here we go. So watch the legs, okay? You can watch my legs or watch Natalie's legs. Both are fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna stop right there. I'm going to my right side twice. Right, and then left, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm hopping to the right, hopping to the left. Now I'm gonna single, and then double, okay? When I say double, that means I do it twice, okay? So it goes right, left, right, left, right, which is double, double, single, double. Okay, one more time. Watch this. Double, double, single, double. Okay, so if you caught that, great. If you haven't, go back and watch. Make sure you got the legs. Okay, all right. I'm gonna rewind it one more time, and you're gonna watch the arms. Okay, the arms. The double, it punches out and then punches up. Out and up, all right? That's the double. And then again, watch, out and up, right? And then now the singles, it goes up. Single, good. And then double, out and up, okay? I know that went kind of fast, but you guys are free to rewind it and watch this again. I'm gonna do it one more time, but it'll be in slow motion, all right? So this is the 1/8 count. And the second 8 count is everything the same, but opposite side. Check it out. Watch the arms. Double, double, and then single, double. Okay? And that is it, my friends. All right. So the hard part is remembering all this stuff and doing it all together with the legs. It took the class a few tries. Okay, I'm not going to lie. Not a few tries, but maybe a class or two. But it might take you shorter, it might take you longer. Just have fun with this, all right? I'm gonna play it one more time. Now this time in slow motion, so it could really dissect this. So for those that are watching this multiple times, this is the 4th or 5th time you're watching, you go ahead, you could skip it to the part where you could just dance with us. But if this is the first time, you definitely wanna watch this in slow-mo. Let's go one more time. Let's back here. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Notice everything is gotta be on beat, right? Watch the legs, okay? Watch the legs. It lands 1. Right on 1, my legs land. My arms are out. 1 and 2. Notice the end. Watch the end, right? I'm gonna go back again. This is going forward now. 1 on the end. That's when my left leg is gonna touch. and right, I'm gonna jump again on the 2, 2, 2 right there. Arm punch on the 2, leg land on 2, and knee comes up on the 2. Okay? Other side, and that's when it drops down. That's the and 3. Notice the knee comes out on the 3. Arms are out. 3 and 4 and everything is on the beat. If it's on the beat or on the and beat, everything's on rhythm. Okay. All right. Good. Now, once you got that, okay, let's finish this slow mo here. Boom. 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and good. Once you have that, then you're ready for the next section, which is the spin section. Let's watch this one more time, tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, spin. Sing, double, double, single, single, double. Okay, so you guys notice on the single part, that's when you spin. All right, the single part is when you spin. So let's watch this slow mo, and I'm gonna slow mo. I'm gonna pause it when we get to the single part. So this part is the same. Sing, double, 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 double. Okay, right here. Now notice I'm already getting ready to spin. Okay, so right here you're gonna go and 5. Right on the 5. Right on the 5. I'm hopping, but I'm already facing the back. And 6. By 6, you see I'm almost like 3/4 of the way with a turn. And then on the 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Okay. So spinning part, it's a little bit more difficult, guys. So for those of you who are able to get to this section, drop it in the comments below. Let me know how you're doing here. If this was easy, if this is hard. I know some of you guys who's been dancing for a while. If you know this move already, drop in the comments. Hey, I know this move already. I practiced this before. However, I'm more interested for the people who are learning for the first time, or if you've seen this before, you never tried it, and see. Let me know how this video. How much it's helping you, or if it's not helping you at all. Okay, let me know how I can help you. That's the goal of this community. That's the goal of this this channel. So let's go. Other side. Double, double, double. Here, get ready for single. So I'm spinning right here. Right. 5 and 6. So the arm doesn't change. Right. You realize that I haven't changed the arm. The only thing I'm adding to it is my spinning. And then 7 and 8. All right. So guys, that is it for this week's tutorial. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you last week's tutorial, and we're going to add it to this week. So we have a total of 4 8 counts. Watch, enjoy, have fun, learn a lot. Drop in the comments below. Of course, definitely subscribe if you haven't already for a lot more future content. Let me know if you guys need any more help. What I'm going to do is I'm going to also do some live streaming. Guys, for those that stick around all the way to the end right here, thank you for that. And also, I'm going to notify you guys. I'm going to start doing live streaming every Thursday night, 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Wherever you are in the world, feel free to join in, all right? And this is where me and some of my TAs, my dance friends, we're going to talk about dance. We're going to talk about tips, tricks, advice, whatever we could do to help you guys out. So enjoy rest of the video. I'm going to stop talking. Here is Natalie and I doing the last 4 8 counts of the class. Peace, and I'm out.